am so confused. We got back to the boat and we took a nap, and we thought that we only slept for like 3 hours, and then because our clock said noon, and then we were walking back to the boat here after using the bathroom and having a snack, and suddenly our phone said 6 p.m. And now I'm completely confused.
My theory is that we ate lunch for 6 hours.
We are gray, but don't worry, it's not gonna stay this way. This is the primer coat. We just can't get enough days in a row without rain in order to get the rest of it painted.
So last time when I left the boat, I brought everything that was outside inside. And now there's no space inside. But now that we're back, we need to make the boat livable again. So we have to get it all back outside.
We did a thing! It's 1 p.m. We have just woken up. This jet lag thing is is pretty bad. We have a lot of work to do on the boat, in the boat specifically. It is a mess and it is not livable. So today we're gonna really work on cleaning, making the boat habitable again, and preparing to go to Flores whenever we get used to this time change.
Not what I expected to see inside an old fort.
I found wisdom. She looks so naked. Hi.
That tree there looks like a Lego Christmas tree.
It does.
This is what goes into your Instagram photos.
Creepy tunnel. Possibly pretty creepy tunnel. Oh, that was worth it. So this is the first time that we're actually cleaning after our Atlantic crossing. And there is a lot to clean. Oh my gosh.
Well.
What is that? Is that salt?
It's either salt.
I think it's salt. Don't lick it! Ew!
Not salt.
Not salt?
Nope.
What is it?
Might be aluminum oxide.
Oh, that's not the smart way to do that.
Nope.
Stop it.
Yep.
You just licked that. What is wrong with you?
Well, I need to know if it was salt or not.
There are other ways.
Oh, anyone? Quick ones. See if it dissolves in water.
Oh my gosh. Has anyone else had this problem? Please let us know in the comments. Or if you have any idea of what that was.
Yeah. So, there's aluminum oxide coming from these screws here, where it's a steel screw, or a stainless steel screw into aluminum. So the aluminum's corroding.
Oh my.
But over here, there's no aluminum.
Shiny and still pretty far from being new looking, but much better.
Dark times befell Herby and Maddie, and no recording occurred.
Okay, so we had lost our memory cards and card reader. And the memory cards had all of arriving in the Azores, like the last leg with the dolphins and everything, and like getting to land, and then all of Horda and the Azores and everything, and our whole trip home. And we literally tore the boat apart looking for them. And I'm like crying now because we just found them.
So, the cards. So, Maddie was editing the video in this bed. What? This was a bed.
Yeah, we tore it apart to look.
She was editing in here. We'd taken out the mattress, we'd taken out the sheets, all that. And then we put them back, but we never took out the pad under this. So then we took out the pad and we're thinking, it's definitely in here. And then our heart just dropped because we've torn apart everything in the boat. And this is the last place they could be, and it wasn't under here.
We've been looking for 2 days.
Yeah, and then I thought, you know, at the foot of the quarter berth, there's this hole that feeds into the steering. It's this little steering locker, or this is our steering cable, and it's got this stainless steel plate that sits here to keep the sheets from getting, you know, messed up in the shiv. And I thought, maybe, just maybe,
by some crazy chance,
they might have worked their way from up here. And Maddie always puts them here on the corner of the bed. And I'm like, maybe they went from here to the foot of the bed and then fell in. And then I look down there, and there is the little baggie with the card reader and the cards and everything. And they're dry, so they didn't die because they fell into our bilge.
All the memories, all the videos. Oh my gosh.
2 days we've been searching for this.
Tearing the boat apart.
Oh my God.
You have no idea. Wow. This calls for some celebratory rum. When we were at the Annapolis Boat Show, we ran into a vendor.
This could quite possibly be the first Dogfish Head Rum in Portugal.
Who gave us some free Dogfish Head Rum. Just to promote the fact that Dogfish Head actually makes spirits, which we didn't know, so it worked. He wanted us to open these in the Azores so that it was the first Dogfish Head Rum to ever be opened in Terceira, or in all of Portugal. So we are excited to be his guinea pigs, and I'm really excited to try the rum, and I figured now is a better time than ever. Ooh, fancy, fancy. I'll use my Bahama shot glass. And this is a sipping rum, so I will not be actually taking it as a shot. Cheers. Oh, that is nice. Oh, it's warm. It's very warm.
I want some.
Different, right?
Oh, that is really good.
Yeah.
So I grew up in Puerto Rico where like rum is a thing, and this is really good rum.
Yeah, well done, Dogfish Head.
So before the rum gets blah, blah, blah.
We had 2 sips.
Before the rum is gone, we need to get the put back together. Pote.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna edit now.
The family that has been kind of housing us and helping us out with driving and everything around the island here, which has been absolutely incredible. A friend of theirs is having his 16th birthday, and she got to choose anywhere on the island to go have dinner for her 16th birthday. And she chose Burger King. So here we are at a Burger King on Terceira.
So what happens is Burger King's new to the island, and it's the first fast food here. So it's the popular place.
Fancy fanciest Burger King I've ever seen. What's really funny is that it's like 10 times more expensive in this Burger King than in any Burger King in the States. It's €7 for a hamburger, which is like almost $10. And the other night we were in like a cafe in town and we got 2 burgers and a pastry and drinks and everything for under $7. €7. It's really funny. So we're getting a tour of the island from the experts, and we are going through tons of little beautiful towns and seeing some amazing sights. So we feel really lucky that we have made this awesome connection here in Terceira, because there's so many things we would never have known to see, and this is a really good day.
One of the most amazing things about the Azores here is no matter where you go, there's always the ocean, and it's just these gorgeous rocks and cliffs and these amazing, powerful breaking waves just coming in, just smashing into the rocks. And you just sit back, it's just the tranquility.
Yes! Yes! We are currently headed to the highest point on Terceira, a galley refit. But we are going to redo all of this, which in my opinion is the worst part of the boat. Our plan for now is to just drive.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
And if you'd like to follow our journey in real time on a map, receive postcards from our ports of call, and message us directly to the boat, you can go ahead and become a patron using the link in the description down below.